Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to install a hubcap. As you can see, I have a hubcap missing and I'll show you how to install a new one. When purchasing new hubcaps, look at your tire size and where it says R15, that's your rim 15 inch. So that's what you want to buy when you're looking for new caps. So here's what the new hubcaps look like. Very nice. Comes with this installation guide. So on these new ones, they have these rings that you're supposed to install first before installing the cap. So take your hubcap, find this opening right here for your valve, and then also take the ring. You see where this bend is? That's gonna line up with here. And then you can also see that there's little grooves in here. That's where this is gonna go. So like this. And you basically just go around, make sure all of them line up into that groove. And now you're ready to install it. Then line up this hole with this guy, like this. And then just push it in like this. And that's it. Looks good.